Most agents only ever use one MLS, but there are some cases where either MLS updates, you move, or some areas use multiple MLSs that you'd like to be able to change your MLS choice depending on the situation. The visual pricing system allows you to do that, and it's very easy to do. This video will show you the exact step-by-step process to do just that. Many agents really only ever price in one area, so very often when that first box comes up asking you what your MLS options are, they tend to click the "Don't ask me again" and save this. But there are occasions where you've done that and you want to reset your MLS choice so that you get the option to change it if you want to. To do that is actually pretty simple. All I have to do here is click Settings in the program and click Reset MLS Choice. When you do this, the program now has reset your MLS choice. Click OK. So now when you click Start here, that box comes back up and allows you to choose another MLS.